Hello everyone, I'm Bravo Golf 6 Tango Tango India. Today I will bring the FX-9B unboxing video. Let's check it out. It was designed and manufactured by BG2FX. And it maximum output power is 30 watt. Use notebook power. In China, many ham use this video. Seems good. Okay. This is the FX-9B HF Transceivers machine. Very big. And the microphone, some tools, a cute mic. And it includes the USB cable and some PCB. This is the FX-9B bag. The color is blue, very beautiful. The microphone, CW key and antenna. The power USB port. It seems like iPod Shuffle. Good design. Let's open it. FX-9B. Wow. 40 meters band. You can change the frequency, the FT8 frequency. Of course, the FX-9B support 6T band and support CW, SSB. Okay. Shut down it. This is the USB cable. Maybe iPod Shuffle USB cable can use it. Antenna use BNC. I don't like it. This is my FT891. Seems size. That's all. Thank you. 73.